Convicted for his role in the 1993 blast, Abu Salem has moved European Court of Human Rights for his return to Portugal. This is a precautionary measure on his part so that he is not given life or death sentence. As per his extradition conditions, he cannot be sentenced to death or anything beyond 25 years. He had moved Portugal court for the earlier life term, and that case is pending in Portuguese SC as a Supreme Court. Now this time he has moved European Union Court. Kajal Iyer joins me the latest details on the phone line. Now Kajal, what are you picking up? Because we know that now this time around Abu Salem has moved the European Court of Human Rights against Portuguese, which means he wants the court to ensure that the Portuguese government takes steps for his return to serve out his sentence there.
Yes, in fact, throughout the earlier trial that was of Pradeep Jain, he had a Portuguese lawyer also representing him towards the end of the trial to see whether or not he is being given any sentence beyond 25 years. And at that point of time, he had been given a life term, at which point he had approached the Portuguese local court and which had upheld the appeal of Abu Salem. The case eventually went to the Portuguese Supreme Court after India intervened, and the Portuguese Supreme Court had asked as to why the extradition should not be cancelled considering that the conditions have not been met. That particular case is still pending in the Portuguese Supreme Court, but meanwhile in this 93 blast case, the charges under which he has been convicted are likely to attract either a life term or even a death penalty, and that is why he has approached the European Court of Human Rights already, so that there is some sort of a pressure on the Indian judiciary which will start hearing arguments for quantum of sentencing from Monday.